Well, guys, welcome back to Infinity Grid on the power line. And I thought just before we verify our last poly as the vector here, I thought I'd just run through quickly how this all actually fits together because it's kind of interlinked more. I think what I understood is the traditional way IGT works is that as the vector, you need to confirm your 8 polys and then you'll move to the next level. But the early achiever access means that we can now move forward into a different grid while our present grid has not been fully verified yet. Obviously, as we know, we have a power token now, and this power token is instantly verified by the beekeeper team, which means that it opens up honeycomb 2 grid 1. And from there, you can already start, once you've received your first $100 gift, you can re-gift that into honeycomb 2. What we do from there is, as we come through our polys, and they are verified by us, once you have verified the next 4 polys, which means you now have 6 verified polys on your grid, honeycomb 2 will be verified. So if you check your dashboard, you can see now that grid 4 has opened up and we can view it. So if we click on that link, we go to this grid, you will see there I am in the bottom left corner, and this is this Victor's grid. And I've taken my $400 gifts and I've gifted it to this Victor. So now I am verified in this grid as well. And you can see there's one more poly to be verified, and then this grid will spin as well and we'll move up to scout position. So back to our own grid. Here, once we have all 8 polys verified, which means we have received 7 gifts of $100. This grid will spin and we will reopen honeycomb 1 grid 1 again. And we will come in here as polys. We will gift our $100 to this Victor, and we will keep $100 out of the 7 gifts we received, and that $100 will go towards the clone. And the clone will be opened for us by the beekeeper team. We don't do that ourselves. So just to try and illustrate that it's not one grid at a time that is building here. We are basically re-gifting into honeycomb 1 grid 1 once this one spins, and we will come back in as a poly. And at the same time, honeycomb 2 grid 1 is already in motion. We've already gifted them. That opened up thanks to the power token. And honeycomb 1 grid 2, we've come in as a poly and we've already gifted our $400 gift to this Victor. And as soon as that's confirmed, the last one, that will spin as well. So while we're moving here in grid 2, we're also moving in grid 1, and we're also moving in grid 1 of honeycomb 2. And once that has been confirmed, in fact, let's have a look at honeycomb 2 here. So there I am on the top right as a scout in honeycomb 2 grid 1. And we're now waiting for that to be pollinated. And once that moves ahead, we will have 3 positions moving forward. And in fact, it could even be that honeycomb 1 grid 2, this one, where we've got 2 pollinators left here, that could even spin before honeycomb 1 grid 1, which is my own. So yeah, this is exciting stuff, just to see how it all parallels each other and it's all dependent on each other. It's not a linear move. I hope this illustrates that a little bit, that while you're still busy confirming and verifying your own pollinators, you're already a pollinator in the next grid. And in fact, you've opened honeycomb 2 as well at the same time. And that is what this build around is for. And that's why out of our $700 gifts, we don't keep any of those, just the $100 for the clone. When that is opened by the beekeeper, we have $100 ready there to instantly pollinate. So there you go, just to give a broader view. Hopefully that's clear. Obviously, if you have any questions on the Telegram group, everyone's there and they're ready to answer your questions. So happy gifting, and we'll see you on another grid. Thanks for watching.